What's up, YouTube? I hope you all are doing well. I wanted to share with you my less than $10 wreath that I made using the items that I had on hand and items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. So this ribbon here I purchased a couple of years ago from, I believe, Home Goods after Christmas for more than 50% off. These poinsettias came from Walmart. I have 7 of these. You need some zip ties that I already had on hand, but you can purchase these at Dollar Tree as well. This square wreath I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I just simply took the ribbon and wrapped it around and zip tied it. Then I took the poinsettia clips and simply just attached that to the wreath in the center, on the center bar. See, they're only 98 cents. So the little fur section is actually one of the dusters that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I just took the 2 pieces that were inside, hot glued them in the center to attach them, and glued it on here. And that is it. Less than $10. So if you decide to make this, let me know and show me pics in the comments so I can see them. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching.